The BMW Z4 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To begin, locate the seam on the fob, typically near the keyring. Gently pry open the case using a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Insert the tool into the seam and carefully twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. If the fob has visible damage, consult a BMW dealer. Once the key fob is open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Make sure the battery is fresh to ensure reliable performance. Align the two halves of the key fob case and snap them back together securely. Test the functionality by pressing the lock-unlock buttons from a distance. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Dispose of the old battery properly at electronics stores or waste management. If issues persist, consult a professional.